Alright, next video, we're going to do something else for the friends. We're going to show them a naughty side.
Let's it.
Morning. It's 5:28 and I'm going to start my day. Important thing, if you want work from home to work, try wake up before you. Friends, I'm going to ask for 2 things at least: milk and crackers. Don't know why them like milk and crackers in the morning, but give the people what they want, right?
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Leila, tell them good morning now. Artwork on the wall from Public Picasso children. No more strip of it. What's the matter? Again, artwork. Artwork again. What's happening? Have to have them Peppa Pig in the morning. No, don't tell. Sit down and drink your milky. Morning, Peppa Pig. Say it tell daddy morning, but must you say I talk about morning, Peppa Pig? Sorry, you're blocking Leila. They'll figure it out. Alright, so after I do that, then I'm going to want some fruits. We'll have to do this banana. I love them. I also eat the apple. But I'm going to get ready or get started on breakfast. Tina kind of out of commission, so I'm going to have to prepare for them and Tina as well. Hannah normally do something for herself. But yeah, it's now 6:27 and the menu today is, I think I just think like baked bean and scrambled eggs and give them toast with it or something like that. Mackerel get chopped. So yeah, going to do the first with the baked bean. So I'm going to start cook. that's the calm part of the day, right? They do have a caregiver, so after this we would normally see them in the bathe, watch the TV until the caregiver gets here. So then I would start working and she would be in control of them. But before she gets here, if I start working from that time, then sometimes things like this happens. So I read. So I tell the thing on all your hair, all your face, and you just do it. Zahra, what are you rubbing on yourself? Leila? What are you rubbing on yourself? Yeah, it gets crazy sometimes, believe you me, but big up to all the parents working from home. I mean, especially if you're working, as in if you're going to work also physically to the office, big up as well. It's just some really strange times we're living in. So continue being safe, continue doing what you're doing. Working from home as a parent, especially if you don't have any help or a caregiver, it's supposed to be like working times 2. But keep it up. Your reward is in heaven, because your kid's not going to acknowledge you right now, for sure. So yeah, nice talking again, and until next time, that's how me and my host work from home. And of course, big up from until next time, like the video, and big up from me and my host. Take it easy.